इडियम सीखोगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम इंग्लिश बोलते वक्त सब कहेंगे वाह क्या बात है। Are you using English words but still sound basic? Want to speak like native speakers and sound smart? Then idioms are your secret weapon. Hello दोस्तों, welcome to your favorite channel where English learning becomes fun and easy. आज हम सीखेंगे एक जबरदस्त इडियम यानी हिंदी में जिसे हम मुहावरा कहते हैं। इडियम्स वो स्पेशल एक्सप्रेशंस होते हैं जो इंग्लिश को इंटरेस्टिंग बनते हैं, बिल्कुल बॉलीवुड डायलॉग्स जैसे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं और आज का इडियम सीखते हैं जिसे आप डेली लाइफ में उसे कर सकते हो।
That's right, Francis. Blood is thicker than water, you know, and I've been with Reggie since the womb.
Well, know that blood is thicker than water?
Yes, I know that blood is thicker than water, but Bud Frump is thicker than anything.
I know you are a medical student, cousin, so I need hardly remind you that blood is thicker than water.
Blood is thicker than water was invented by undeserving relatives.
Idiom blood is thicker than water. Hindi meaning अपना सो अपना, meaning family relationships are stronger and more important than other relationships. Example, he chose to support his brother during the argument, even though his friend was right. After all, blood is thicker than water.
You're supposed to kill two birds with one stone. Destroy a piece of corporate art.
I just figured you wanted to kill two birds with one stone.
It enables me to kill two birds with one stone.
Well then, Mr. Leighton, when you have tired of Geneva, I want you to, how do you say, to kill two birds with one stone.
Idiom to kill two birds with one stone. Hindi meaning एक पंथ दो काज, meaning to achieve two things with a single action. Example, by going to Delhi for his meeting and visiting his cousin there, he killed two birds with one stone.
I guess all is well that ends well.
All is well that ends well. But where is Vector now?
Oh well, I love my daughter, so all is well that ends well, right?
Idiom all is well that ends well. Hindi meaning ant bhala to sab bhala, meaning if the final outcome is good, then the difficulties or problems faced earlier don't matter. Example, we faced many issues during the wedding planning, but the ceremony was perfect. All is well that ends well.
Little learning is a dangerous thing.
Have you ever heard the expression that a little learning is a dangerous thing?
Burns, a little learning is a dangerous thing.
Have you ever heard the expression, a little learning is a dangerous thing?
Yes.
Idiom, a little learning is a dangerous thing. Hindi meaning, neem hakim khatre jaan, meaning, having a small amount of knowledge can lead to overconfidence and mistakes. Example, he tried to fix the electrical wires after watching one YouTube video and caused a short circuit. A little learning is a dangerous thing.
Haste makes waste.
Haste makes waste. But in this case, so does hesitation.
And they say haste makes waste.
You see? Haste makes waste. And look what it gets you.
Idiom, haste makes waste. Hindi meaning, jaldi ka kaam shaitan ka, meaning, when you do something too quickly, you are more likely to make mistakes and ruin it. Example, he submitted the report without checking it properly and had to redo the whole thing. Haste makes waste.
Better today than tomorrow.
Better today than tomorrow.
Better today than tomorrow.
Idiom, better today than tomorrow. Hindi meaning, kal kare so aaj kar, meaning, it is better to do something today rather than delaying it until tomorrow. Example, don't put off studying for the test. Better today than tomorrow.
Time and tide wait for no man.
Time and tide wait for no man.
Time and tide wait for no man.
Well, time and tide wait for no man.
Time and tide wait for no man.
Idiom, time and tide wait for no man. Hindi meaning, gaya waqt haath nahi aata, meaning, time passes quickly and doesn't wait for anyone. So it's important to act promptly. Example, he missed the opportunity to invest when the market was low, and now the prices have skyrocketed. Time and tide wait for no man.
It's kind of a familiarity breeds contempt thing.
You know, familiarity breeds contempt.
You know the cliche, familiarity breeds contempt?
I guess it is true what they say. Familiarity
breeds contempt.
Maybe familiarity breeds contempt.
Idiom familiarity breeds contempt. Hindi meaning घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, meaning when you are too familiar with something or someone, you may start to take it for granted and not appreciate it. Example, he didn't appreciate his own country's culture until he lived abroad for years. Familiarity breeds contempt.
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Captain, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Well, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Idiom a friend in need is a friend indeed. Hindi meaning मित्र वही जो विपत्ति में काम आए, meaning a true friend is someone who supports you in times of trouble, not just when things are going well. Example, when I was going through a tough time, she stood by me and helped me a lot. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Just a 9 days wonder.
Idiom a 9 days wonder. Hindi meaning 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात, meaning something that is impressive or exciting for a short period but fades away quickly and is soon forgotten. Example, the new phone got a lot of attention at first, but now no one talks about it anymore. It's just a 9 days wonder.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
There's a will, there's a way out.
Where there is a will, there is a way.
Idiom where there is a will, there is a way. Hindi meaning जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह, meaning if you are determined and focused, you will find a way to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Example, even though the project seemed impossible at first, her determination helped her succeed. Where there is a will, there is a way.
Many cooks spoil the broth.
Idiom too many cooks spoil the broth. Hindi meaning ढेर योगी मठ उजाड़, meaning when too many people try to manage or control the same task, it often leads to confusion and poor results. Example, everyone in the team had a different idea for the project, and in the end, it turned into a mess. Too many cooks spoil the broth.
There's a fly in the ointment.
You know, our folks say that there is a fly in the ointment.
Idiom there is a fly in the ointment. Hindi meaning dal mein kala, meaning something small that spoils or reduces the overall perfection or enjoyment of a situation. Example, the trip was almost perfect, but the hotel service was terrible. There was a fly in the ointment.
Do good and forget. Do good and forget.
Idiom do good and forget. Hindi meaning neki kar, darya mein dal, meaning do good deeds selflessly without expecting anything in return. Example, she helped the old man cross the road and didn't wait for any thanks. She believes in doing good and forgetting it.
Make hay while the sun shines, as they say.
Make hay while the sun shines.
Make hay while the sun shines.
Make hay while the sun shines.
Idiom make hay while the sun shines. Hindi meaning बहती गंगा में हाथ धोना, meaning take full advantage of a good situation while it lasts. Example, freelancers are getting lots of projects these days, so she's working extra hours to earn more, making hay while the sun shines.
The way you're moving in your sleep, the way you look before you leap, the strange illusions that you keep, you don't know what I'm noticing.
You gotta look before you leap.
Look before you leap. Look before you leap.
Always look before you leap.
Idiom look before you leap. Hindi meaning बिना विचारे जो करे सो पीछे पछताए, meaning think carefully before taking any action, especially something risky. Example sentence, he invested all his savings in a company without research and lost everything. He should have looked before he leapt.
An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth.
An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Bail for a favor.
An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth.
An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, and a nose for a nose.
Born a criminal, we say an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth, a stripe for a stripe.
Idiom an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. Hindi meaning Shathe Shatyam Samachret, meaning, this idiom means to take revenge or respond to wrongdoing with equal force or punishment. Example, after being cheated in business, he took legal action and made sure the other person paid for it. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth.
Silence is good for now.
Silence is good.
Silence is good.
Idiom, silence is good. Hindi meaning, sabse bhala chup. Meaning, sometimes staying silent is better than speaking, especially when words may cause conflict or make things worse. Example, instead of arguing with his boss, he stayed quiet during the meeting. Silence is good.
Careful what you let be so. All that glitters is not gold.
All that glitters is not gold.
All that glitters is not gold.
That glitters is not gold.
Idiom, all that glitters is not gold. Hindi meaning, हाथी के दांत खाने के और, दिखाने के और. Meaning, not everything that looks attractive or valuable on the outside is actually good or trustworthy. Example, the job offer looked amazing with a high salary, but it turned out to be a scam. All that glitters is not gold.
I suppose your granny always tells you a stitch in time saves 9.
All right, might say. A stitch in time saves 9.
They say a stitch in time saves 9.
Idiom, a stitch in time saves 9. Hindi meaning, समय पर 1 टका 9 का काम देता है. Meaning, if you fix a small problem right away, it prevents it from becoming a bigger problem later. Example, he repaired the leaking pipe immediately, avoiding water damage to the whole wall. A stitch in time saves 9.
A wolf in sheep's clothing.
If you can't recognize a wolf in sheep's clothing, I question the viability of your employment here.
Wolf in sheep's clothing.
A wolf in sheep's clothing.
Idiom, a wolf in sheep's clothing. Hindi meaning, mukh mein ram, bagal mein chhuri. Meaning, someone who seems kind and innocent from the outside but is actually dangerous or deceitful. Example, everyone thought he was a trustworthy partner, but he ran away with all the money. Truly a wolf in sheep's clothing.
All's fair in love and war, man.
All's fair in love and war.
Well, it seemed that way, but like I said, all's fair in love and war.
All's fair in love and war in the publicity department.
All's fair in love and war.
Idiom, all's fair in love and war. Hindi meaning, लड़ाई और प्रेम में सब कुछ जायज है. Meaning, in situations like love or war, any action, no matter how extreme, is acceptable to achieve the desired outcome. Example, she did whatever it took to win his heart. After all, all's fair in love and war. अगर आपको आज का इडियम पसंद आया, तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करो. कमेंट में लिख के बताओ कि आप इस इडियम का उसे कैसे करोगे. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, क्योंकि मैं रोज लेकर आता हूँ नए इडियम्स और इंग्लिश एक्सप्रेशंस जो आपके बोलने का स्टाइल बदल देंगे. कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, कीप लर्निंग. इंग्लिश सीखना बोरिंग नहीं, स्टाइलिश हो सकता है. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में एक नए इडियम के साथ. तब तक के लिए हैप्पी लर्निंग.